what we are calling MIDAS, which stands for Medical Image Diagnosis Assistance System. So Pittsburgh-based multi-specialty healthcare provider and an insurer, 40 hospitals, 3.5 million insured patients. They're a truly multi-specialty healthcare provider. The work that we're going to present is really the tip of the iceberg when it comes to the technology investments and innovation. Before we get into the specifics of the problem, let me just give you a quick industry perspective of where radiology is. 44% of radiologists that have been interviewed over the last two surveys in the US have reported significant burnout. Now, that burnout results in a lot of stress-induced misdiagnosis of X-rays. This problem has only gotten aggravated as people work remotely during COVID times. With an aging population in the US, demand for imaging is also going up. You combine all these factors together, and the fact that there is a shortage of trained staff, we're looking at a very, very highly stressed workforce. I'll give you an overview of what the problem statement was. So what we wanted to do was figure out a way in which how best to basically create a companion app for their radiology division, so that app can basically do some of the automation and pre-diagnosis. Remember, because US is a very regulated market, you cannot take it so far as to be able to fully end-to-end sort of build this automation where the algorithm itself sort of rubber stamps and sends out the report. So, but what you could do is you could actually do a lot of this pre-diagnosis ahead of time, speeding up the work of the radiologist and also reducing the errors as a result. There were two categories of solutions that they wanted to build. One was a real-time assessment where they would do this in the middle of a doctor-patient consultation. And a second one was an overnight bulk processing where they receive these hundreds of X-ray images that they then run through these kind of bulk processing programs. So next morning when the radiologist comes in, rather than starting one at a time, the algorithm should somehow segregate this and pre-categorize them, just speeding up all of the work. They wanted all of this to be done in a way that is very intuitive, such that when the radiologist comes in or an orthopedic looks at it, they are very quickly able to see what the algorithm was able to assess, right? They wanted to do this for both arthritis detection in the knee and the hips as part of this phase 1 that we did. We needed to support multiple X-ray formats, including DICOMs, JPEGs, and lastly, some of these X-ray images were done externally and then brought to rely on the quality, and therefore we found images that were sometimes rotated, overexposed, and we needed to account for all of those things. What did we propose? So I spoke about the MIDAS platform. The idea was that we took the MIDAS platform and sort of needed to build machine learning programs that would be trained using labeled X-ray images that we get from the customer. We would then iteratively run through these labeled images and continue to fine-tune the algorithms to improve the accuracy. We then packaged this all into a very intuitive web-based user interface that could be both, as I mentioned earlier, used live in the middle of a consultation or batch processing overnight. One very interesting innovation that this team was able to perform is, how do you continuously improve this algorithm, right? So the one way we said was, okay, there could be a situation where the algorithm predicted, let's say a knee to be near end stage, whereas actually it was end stage. And how do you change that? So what we did was we provided the admin as well as an end user the ability to actually override a prediction, which would then be funneled back and used to reprogram. And lastly, to try to again smoothen out and automate the end-to-end flow, we incorporated this entire platform inside customer reports and outbound communication messaging that was going. What was the end result of all of this? So we were able to now create a complete end-to-end automation. So wherein the X-ray, once it came in, would actually go all the way through till the diagnosis letter would be ready, and all the physician or the orthopedic or the radiologist had to do was reconfirm it, rubber stamp it, and send it out. And we were able to create a close to 60% efficiency there. Some of our models, especially in some of the knee compartments, showed an accuracy level of as much as 95%, which means 95 out of those 100 outbound communications going out, the assessments were accurate, and radiologists really didn't have to do anything but validate them. And lastly, all of this resulted the radiology division being able to increase their throughput by about 30% using the same workforce.